Good morning, class 4th. Today we have started chapter number 10, that is the force, work and energy. This is a chapter number 10. First, when we have start your chapter, that you know that all the living things that need energy to carry out different activities, and we get the energy from the food that we eat. And in this chapter we have learned the force and effect of a force, and the types of a force, work, energy, and its type and source of energies. First we have start with the force. A push or pull is called a force. Again I have repeated, a push or pull is called a force. Whenever we have do something, when we have changed the direction of moving objects, it is a force. And sometimes we can change the shape of an object, it is also force. And when you kick a football and you push it, here the force is working. A force can do many things. First, it can make an object to move, and it can slow down or stop a moving objects, and it can change the direction of the moving objects and change the shape of an object. And force can changes the speed of a moving object. When we are riding a bicycle, high speed wind from the opposite direction can reduce the speed of moving bicycle. And we push book to keep it in a bag and pull the books to take it out from the bag. Here again the force is working. And when we have pulled the door of a refrigerator and to open it, we push the door to close it. Here the force is working. Again I have repeated, a push or pull is called a force. And your next topic is the types of a force. That there are many different types of a force. First, muscular force. Second, gravitational force. And third one is the magnetic force. And fourth one is the friction. First, what is the muscular force? The force that use the power of our muscles of our body is called a muscular force. And the gravitational force, the force of the earth that pulls everything toward itself, is called the gravitational force. And the magnetic force, when a magnet is attract some steel or iron metals, that is the magnetic force. And last one is the friction. And friction is a force between two surfaces which are in a contact. First we have start with the types of a force. Then first one is the muscular force. The force that use the power of muscles of our body is called the muscular force. When we push or pull something, we apply force by using parts of our body such as hand and feet. This force is called as the muscular force. And second one is the gravitational force. The force of the earth that pulls everything towards itself is called the gravitational force or gravity. When you throw up a ball, observe that it slow down and stop and then come down. And why does not it keep going up? This is because gravitational force pull everything down, and you are able to stand the ground because gravity pulls you down. If there was no gravity, we could all be floating in the air. Okay, class 4. Today I have been the session here, and we have made next video. Okay, then thank you class, and have a nice day.